In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show rulers and guides in Canva. These tools are essential for keeping your designs precise and perfectly aligned, whether it's a poster, an invitation, or any graphic project. First, open your Canva project. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on File. This drop-down contains several important settings for your design. From the File menu, select Settings. Here, you can control different aspects of your Canva editor view, including rulers and guides. In the settings, find the option labeled Show Rulers and Guides and click it. This will activate both rulers and draggable guides in your workspace. Once activated, you'll see ruler bars along the top and side of your design. Click and drag from these rulers to create guides. These help you align elements precisely, whether centering text or lining up graphics. You can move these guides anywhere in your workspace to match your layout needs. They're especially useful for complex designs where exact alignment matters. If you want to hide them, simply return to the File menu, click Settings again, and toggle Show Rulers and Guides off. Your workspace will go back to a clean view. And that's it. You now know how to show and use rulers and guides in Canva to enhance your design accuracy and workflow.